Right, so for this Screencast-O-Matic assignment, I decided to use the website TED.com, most popularly known as TED Talks. So this is a really great resource. I know throughout my education, I've watched a lot of TED Talks, and they have many different topics that you can choose from. So I decided to just share an example of how I would use this. For example, I have an assignment coming up this week where I have to write a paper about organic agriculture. While most of these are not, they're mostly like people talking, I can still go to organic agriculture, type it in, click search, and have all of these videos and ideas, and this would be a great starting point for looking at other resources and things like that. So I will probably we'll just click on this first video. You can start watching it, and use this as a starting point for your research and things that you're doing. So I would totally recommend this TED Talk, and you can even use it for younger kids. I'm pretty sure they have like this seems like a little cartoon that you can use to show younger kids videos and such. So this place is a really great option for finding videos and things to teach people and to get ideas for your own education, and it's a great resource. So yeah, that's why I wanted to share TED Talks with you.